Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than we ever imagined. From creating human-like conversations to replacing entire industries, artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of society. But are we truly prepared for what's coming? Today, we're diving into the dark side of artificial intelligence and the hidden dangers you need to know in 2025. While AI offers massive breakthroughs, it also presents risks that could reshape our economy, our privacy, and even our understanding of reality. Let's break it down. For years, experts warned us about AI replacing jobs. Well, in 2025, it's no longer a prediction, it's happening. AI is automating entire professions, from manufacturing to creative work. It's estimated that by 2030, AI could replace up to 375 million jobs worldwide. But the real question is, will new jobs be created fast enough to replace the ones lost? And this doesn't just impact blue-collar jobs. Writers, video editors, lawyers, and even programmers are seeing AI take over tasks that once required years of human expertise. Imagine waking up to a viral video of a world leader announcing a war, but it's 100% fake. In 2025, deepfake technology has become so advanced that detecting real from fake is almost impossible. AI-powered misinformation is already shaping political debates, influencing stock markets, and even being used for scams. The ability to fabricate reality is one of AI's most dangerous powers. The scariest part is that these tools are becoming more accessible every day. What happens when anyone with a smartphone can create hyper-realistic fake content? AI is supposed to be objective. But in reality, AI learns from human data, and that means it can learn human biases. We've already seen AI systems discriminating in hiring, policing, and lending. And because AI is trained on past data, it can reinforce systemic inequalities rather than eliminating them. So who's responsible when AI makes a biased decision? The programmers? The company? No one knows for sure. Right now, AI is developing faster than governments can regulate it. While some countries are pushing for ethical AI laws, many companies are racing ahead with little oversight. Without clear rules, AI could be used for mass surveillance, deepfake warfare, or even automated cyberattacks. The lack of accountability is one of the biggest threats AI poses today. So what's being done to address these issues? Tech companies and researchers are working on solutions like explainable AI, bias detection, and digital watermarks for deepfakes. But ultimately, it's up to us to demand responsible AI development. Governments need to create laws, companies need to prioritize ethics over profits, and consumers like you need to stay informed. AI is here to stay. The question is, will we control it, or will it control us? What do you think is the biggest risk of AI in 2025? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.